Welcome to our channel. Today, I'll guide you through the steps to download SnowRunner on your PC. But before we continue, check the description for links to gaming mouse and keyboard options if you're interested. Now, let's get started. First, ensure that you have Steam installed on your computer. Steam is a popular gaming platform that offers access to a vast library of games. If you haven't installed it yet, visit the official Steam website using your browser. Click the Install Steam button located at the top right corner and follow the prompts to install the Steam client. Once Steam is installed, open the application. If you don't have a Steam account, you'll need to create one. Click on Create a Free Account and fill in the necessary details, such as your email address and a strong password. After setting up your account, log in to access the Steam interface. Next, locate the search bar at the top right corner. Click on it and type SnowRunner. The game should appear in the search results. Click on its title to go to the store page for more details. To purchase the game, click the green Add to Cart button. After buying the game, navigate to the Library tab at the top. You will see SnowRunner listed among your games. Click on it to open its library page, and then press the Install button. A window will pop up asking where you want to install the game on your computer. Choose your preferred location and click Next. The download will start automatically. Once the download is complete, a Play button will appear in your library. Click it to launch SnowRunner. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Bye-bye.